Hello and welcome to Practice MCQs. In this video, I will present MCQs on Indian Economic Environment. Indian Economic Environment is a general paper of economics in FYBA of SPPU. So let's begin. Economic environment refers to the nature and direction of an economy in which activities are carried out. देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट की मीनिंग दी गई है और इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट उसे कहेंगे जहाँ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज होती हैं एक पर्टिकुलर नेचर की और एक पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में. सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज ए इकोनॉमिक. Economic environment refers to the nature and direction of an economy in which economic activities are carried out. Question number 2. Which factor affect the economic environment of an economy? Options are economic, political, socio-cultural, D, all the above. So the right option is all the above. Economic, political and socio-cultural factors affect an economic environment of an economy. Question number 3. Which of the following is not an internal factor of economic environment? Options are structure of organization, management and human resources are internal factors. Market size is an external factor. So the right option is C, market size. Market size is not an internal factor of economic environment. Question number 4. Following are the economic factors except economic condition, economic policies, economic system and D, technological factor. So the right option is D, technological factor. Economic condition, economic policies and economic system are the economic factors which affect an economic environment. Question number 5. Private ownership of means of production is permitted in dash. The right option is option B, capitalism. Private ownership of means of production is permitted in capitalism. Question number 6. In a dash. Private, public and joint sector influence the functioning of the economy. The right option is option C, mixed economy. In a mixed economy, private, public and joint sector influence the functioning of the economy. Question number 7. Which of the following is not an indicator of economic condition? Options are GDP, national income, size of the market, D, population. The right option is D, population. GDP, national income and size of the market are the indicator of economic condition of an economy. Question number 8. Fiscal policy means a policy about. The right option is C, government spending and tax. Fiscal policy means a policy about government spending and tax. Question number 9. Following are the political factors which affect an economic environment except. Options are stability of the ruling party, ideology of the ruling party, C, symbol of the ruling party, morality of the ruling party. The right option is C, symbol of the ruling party. Which of the following technological factor affect an economic environment? Options are capital invested, innovation, management, location of a firm. The right option is B, innovation is a technological factor which affect on economic environment. Question number 11. Which of the following is not an educational factor affecting on economic environment? Options are population of the country, modern teaching techniques, job and skill oriented courses, and D, ICT. The right option is population of the country. Question number 12. Which of the following is not socio-cultural factor affecting on economic environment? The right option is option B, costume. Other options like demographic changes, custom and religion are socio-cultural factors, but costume is not a socio-cultural factor which affect on economic environment. Question number 13. Natural resources are dash 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 by every passing day. Options are increasing, depleting, steady, D, none of the above. The right option is depleting. Natural resources are depleting by every passing day. Question number 14. Among natural resources, land is. Options are fixed, cannot be reproduced, increasing by every passing day, varies from time to time, all of the above. The right option is A, fixed and cannot be produced. Land is a natural resource which is fixed and cannot be reproduced. Last question. Which of the following is not an issue to land resources in India? Options are decreasing cultivable land, land degradation, farmer suicide, soil erosion. The right option is farmers suicide. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot.